How to check CPU or processor name on Samsung phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, you will need an application called Device Info Phone CPU System. So go to your Play Store and then search for Device Info. This is the app you'd be looking for. Simply install the application and then all you have to do is launch the application, and then all your detail about your phone including the CPU name, processor name, and other features will appear just like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.